welcome to Existing World Tech with Sunny, where all about making technology easy and accessible for everyone. I am host Sunny and I am thrilled to embark on each journey with each and every one of you. So, whatever you are looking to upgrade your smartphone, explore the world of smart home devices, or simply want to stay updated on the latest tech trends, uh, Tech with Sunny is a place to be. Make sure to hit that the subscribe button and notification bell and ring the notification bell so you never miss out our existing tech videos. Today is the topic of video: how to deactivate your Instagram account, step by step guide. In today's digitally connected world, social media platforms have become an integral part of our lives. Instagram, one of the most popular, allows users to share their lives, moments, connect with friends and family, explore a diverse range of content. However, there might be time when you feel the need to make a break or step away from the constant stream of updates. Deactivating your Instagram account can offer the respite you seek. In this guide, we will walk you through the process of deactivating your Instagram account step by step. First of all, why deactivate your Instagram account? Before we delete the into the deactivation process, it's important to understand why someone might choose to deactivate their Instagram account. Here are some common reasons. Digital detox. Deactivating your Instagram account can provide a much needed break from the constant notifications, likes, comments, uh, allowing you to focus on real life instructions and activities. Privacy concern. If you are concerned about your online privacy or data security, deactivating your account can help reduce your digital footprints. Mental health. The pressure to curate a perfect online presence can sometimes take a toll on mental health. Deactivation can offer relief from the pressure. Time management. Social media can be significant time sink. By deactivating, you can regain control of your time and allocate it to other meaningful pursuits. Step by step guide by deactivating your Instagram account. Step 1: Login into your account. Open the Instagram app or visit to official Instagram website www.instagram.com. Log in using your username and password. Step 2: Access your profile. Once logged in, click on your profile picture located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Step 3: Navigate to setting. Once your profile page, locate and click on the three horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger icon in the top right corner. From the from the drop down menu, scroll down and select setting. Step 4: Access account options. In the settings menu, click on account. Step 5: Deactivate your account. In the account menu, select temporarily deactivate your account. Instagram will ask you to provide a reason for deactivating your account from a drop down menu. Choose a most appropriate reason. Re-enter your password when prompted. Step 6: Confirm deactivation. After entering your password, click on the temporarily deactivating account button. Instagram will inform you that deactivating your account will disable your profile, photos, comments and likes. It will also hide your profile from other users. Click yes to proceed with the deactivation. Step 7: successfully deactivated. Congratulations, your Instagram account is now deactivated. You can reactivate it at any time by logging back in. Important considerations. Reactivation. To reactivate your account, simply log back in using your username and password. Your profile and content will be restored as it was before deactivation. Time limit. Instagram allows you to deactivate your account for as long as you want. There is no time limit for reactivation. Notifications. While your account is deactivated, you will not receive any notification from Instagram. Data reiteration. It's important to note that even though your account is deactivated, Instagram retains your data. If you decide to reactivate your profile, photos, comments, and likes will be restored. Permanently deleting account. If you wish to permanently delete your Instagram account, which is different from deactivation, visit Instagram's help center for instructions. In a world where social media is deeply ingrained in our daily lives, taking a step back can be a liberating experience. Deactivating your Instagram account offers you the freedom to disconnect it temporarily, focus on yourself, and rediscover the joy of offline interactions. Whatever you have seeking a digital detox, safeguarding safeguarding your privacy, or protecting your mental well-being, the process of deactivating your Instagram account is straightforward and can be valuable tool in maintaining a healthy relationship with social media. First thing, first, open your Instagram app and log in. Then click on your profile picture in the bottom right corner and access your profile. Next, tap the three horizontal line in the top right corner to open the menu and scroll down to the setting. Paragraph 2. Opens in the setting menu, scroll down and until your find account. Tap on it to reveal a bunch of options including privacy and security. In this section you will find temporarily disable account. Give it a tap. Paragraph number 4. Instagram will ask you to provide a reason for your temporary departure. Select the reason and that resonates with you the most. This helps Instagram understand your preferences and improve the platform. Password confirmation. After selecting your reason, you will need to enter your password to confirm your identity. This step ensures that you can deactivate your account. Here's here's where it gets interesting. Instagram will now give you the choose between the temporary and permanent deactivation. Choose temporarily disable account to proceed with the temporary break. Your account will be hidden and you can reactivate it by simply logging again. Final confirmation. One last check. Instagram will display a confirmation message summarizing the effect of deactivation. Make sure you understand the consequences before proceeding. When you are ready to come back to the gram, all you need to do is log in again using permissions. Your profile post and followers will be right where you left them. While your account is deactivated, remember that you won't receive any notification or message if someone tags you and send you a message. You won't see it until you have activated your account. Take a break, stay tech, and there you have it, a complete guide on how to deactivate your Instagram account. Remember, taking breaks from social media can be refreshing, allowing you to focus on other aspects of life. Stay tuned to Tech with Sunny for more helpful tech guides and tips to keep you ahead in the digital world. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay blessed.